So I have this pillow here. I want to give a demonstration and go over all the features you should be expecting before you buy this. First off, being the zipper. I think the zipper is probably the best part of this pillow compared to the other pillow that I got, which is in the similar shape. This zipper comes from right here all the way around, going all the way around, all the way down over to right here. The other pillow I got, the zipper only came down to right here. So you had to stuff it all within the pillowcase. It was super hassle. It was not a fun thing to do. But because this pillowcase goes down more, you don't have to stuff it anymore. You just put the pillowcase in and you just zip it up. It is much easier. And although you can't go down super far from this side, the length for here it is shorter than the other pillow. So that's why you don't have a lot to stuff down here. And also this is quite a big headrest for someone who has a big head. This is very convenient and very welcomed. You unzip it and this is what it looks like from the inside. Just a white pillow. This is how it came with the pillowcase separately. So up here there is a zipper also. You unzip this and this is where all the foam, this is where all the stuffings goes. So you can take out some, you can put in some more too. Pretty convenient. Another convenient thing is, as you can see, there's a little kind of nook here for the zipper to go into. So you're not going to be getting caught on the zipper. I have some of my keys, some of my rings, some of my things get caught on the zipper sometimes, and it's super annoying. So this is pretty convenient. Moving on to actually using the pillow. So basically you kind of straddle this and you put your head right onto this piece. You put it over your shoulder and just kind of lay here like this. Because there's an extra longer bit supposed to go behind you, and the shorter bit is just enough length on the back to give me a support right here. So I would say this is definitely supportive. The kind of ridges right here, as you can see, there is a kind of loop that goes inwards right here. This perfectly kind of lines up with my body. And this is still firm enough to be supportive because the correct sleeping position is to have something between your legs so your legs is not really being pinched downwards from gravity. And this little bit makes you feel like you're being surrounded by pillow on all sides. And I gotta say, this is not a light pillow, but it's still light enough where you can move it to anywhere during the night if you want to. So in order to test out its versatility, I'm going to use it as a backrest. If you have a TV against a wall like this, you want to see it right here, but you don't want your neck to be cranked and pushed forward. You put it on the wall, you lay it back, and it still feels very nice. But because the size of the pillow is uneven, so it feels a little bit awkward. But the advantage of that, you can get this longer piece and kind of wrap it around you. So when you're watching TV, you can hug it like this, or you can put your phone like this to watch something. So you don't have to hold up your phone with your arms because your arms get tired eventually. You put your phone right here, put a book right here. So it is pretty convenient. Next, I'm going to test out it being a butt rest and see how supportive that can be. Let's say you have to sit on the floor. It's a hardwood floor, so you want a pillow to support you. I didn't think this would be that supportive, but it is quite supportive because the foam is kind of on the firmer side. I'm not feeling the ground at all. And because this thing kind of loops around, I can put both my feet on here so I won't be touching the floor at any moment. So yeah, I think it's pretty good for a butt rest. So overall, it's got nice versatility. It is soft while still being supportive. It is firm. It's got lots of use cases. So if you think this will be good for you, definitely give it a try because I highly recommend this.